Did you know the old way of creating product videos is already broken? Hiring creators for every shoot, waiting days or weeks for edits, spending thousands just to get one usable video, repeating the whole process again for the next campaign, and still ending up with videos that stop working after a few weeks. Even worse, most sellers now avoid video altogether because it feels slow, expensive, and exhausting. And yet, video is still what sells. So what do? How do you keep using product video without turning it into a production nightmare? The answer is not more tools. It's not learning video editing, and it's definitely not hiring more people. The only way forward is to stop treating video like a project and start treating it like an asset. That's exactly what we built, a way for you to turn any product into reusable selling videos automatically, without filming, without editing, without starting over every time. Introducing ShowcaseAI, the first system designed to turn one product into multiple high-converting video styles on demand. Now you can finally put product video on autopilot. Here's how it works. Instead of shooting new videos again and again, you let ShowcaseAI generate polished product videos for you. Demos, ads, UGC-style videos, explainers, showcases, fashion try-on videos, all from the same product. No camera, no editing timeline, no waiting. Just choose the style you want and let the system do the rest. This means you can test more angles without increasing costs. You can keep content fresh without reshoots. You can match the format to the platform instantly. One product, multiple selling styles. And it's all point-and-click simple. No video skills required, no design skills required, no learning curve. Just select, customize, and publish. You can even merge clips, extend videos up to 60 seconds, add captions, music, branding, and schedule posts directly to platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and more. ShowcaseAI removes the friction that usually kills video marketing. No creators slowing you down, no editing bottlenecks, no production delays. And because everything is reusable, your videos don't expire after one campaign. They keep working. Even better, you can use ShowcaseAI for your own products or sell video creation as a service. Create videos for clients, charge per video or monthly, deliver faster without increasing workload. The system handles the heavy lifting. And yes, everything you create comes with full commercial usage rights. ShowcaseAI works for you 24 hours a day, helping you stay consistent, visible, and competitive without adding stress to your workflow. Try ShowcaseAI completely risk-free. You're covered by a 14-day money-back guarantee. Use it, create videos, test different styles. If it doesn't fit your workflow, just ask and you'll get a full refund. Nothing to download, nothing to install. Everything runs in the cloud. The reality is simple. Video isn't going away, but the old way of creating it already has. If you want a faster, simpler way to keep using video without slowing down, everything you need is inside ShowcaseAI. Click the button below and start turning your products into selling assets today.
Avatars to ads to product showcases, everything happens inside one simple dashboard. The ShowcaseAI dashboard brings all your AI video creation tools into one place. In the left menu sidebar, you will find options to manage projects, access the video studio, editors, avatars, and voice tools such as text-to-speech and voice cloning. The main dashboard also gives you direct shortcuts to create product videos, AI ads, talking avatars, and fashion videos instantly. Everything is built for faster workflows and professional studio-quality results using AI. Now, let's check the first feature, Product Showcase Video. Click on Create Now and the editor will open. With Product Showcase Video, simply upload your product image, describe the scene, and ShowcaseAI will automatically create a professional product shoot video. First, upload your product and choose the Auto option. Enter product details such as the name, type, and purpose. For example, Instagram, YouTube, e-commerce, or brand promotion. Select a style like minimal, lifestyle, or luxury, choose a mood, and generate the image. You can also use the Custom option to write your own script, or click Get AI Idea to generate one automatically and edit it if needed. Once the image is ready, click Generate Video. Choose Auto or Custom, set the duration, add music, and click Render Video. Within seconds, your high-quality product shoot video will be ready to preview, download, or regenerate. That's how easy it is to create professional product videos with ShowcaseAI. Now let's check the second feature, Product Avatar Videos. This feature brings your product to life using an AI avatar. Simply upload your product, choose an avatar, and the avatar will present your product in the video. You can select a ready-made AI avatar or upload your own custom avatar. There are two modes available, Auto and Custom. In Auto mode, choose an avatar, adjust the scene if needed, upload your product image, and generate the image. In Custom mode, you can provide detailed instructions for the person, scene, and camera to create a fully customized avatar. Once the image is ready, click Generate Video. Add your script or use the AI writer. Select a voice. Generate the audio and render the video. Within seconds, your professional product avatar video will be ready to preview, download, and share. Now let's check the third feature, AI Ads. With this feature, you can create high-quality ad videos using AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and models. Simply upload your product, describe the idea, and ShowcaseAI automatically creates a cinematic ad video for you. To get started, upload your product image. You'll see two options, Auto and Custom. In Auto mode, enter your product idea and click Generate Script. The AI creates the script for you. Then choose the aspect ratio, select the duration, add a title, and click Generate Video. In Custom mode, upload your product and enter details like your product name, target audience, selling points, and ad style. Click Generate Script, review it, and create the video. You can also add your own script if you already have one. Check the progress in the project section, and within seconds, your ad is ready to preview, download, and share. Now let's check the fourth feature, Talking Avatars. With this feature, you can create an AI avatar that speaks about your product, brand, or any topic you want. Simply add a script, upload audio, or record your own voice, and the avatar will deliver it for you. Start by choosing an AI avatar or uploading your own in the My Avatar section. Preview the avatar's gestures and expressions before continuing. Next, add a video title and choose how you want to add audio. You can type your script, use the AI writer to generate one automatically, upload an MP3 file, or record your own voice. Then select a voice, generate the audio, and preview how it sounds. Once everything looks good, click Render Video. Within seconds, your talking avatar video will be ready to preview, download, and share. Now let's explore the extra tools that help you create more powerful and professional videos. Create Your Avatar lets you design a personalized AI avatar for your brand, which you can reuse across videos for product demos, tutorials, and marketing without cameras or studio setups. Text-to-speech converts your written content into natural-sounding AI voiceovers, offering multiple voices and languages for consistent professional audio. The video editor allows you to edit and customize videos directly on the platform by adding logos, music, merge the videos. No external software needed. The image generator helps you create high-quality AI images for products, ads, and social media without physical photo shoots. The sales copywriter generates persuasive marketing copy, product descriptions, and ad content tailored to your audience. So that concludes this walkthrough. With ShowcaseAI, creating and managing professional marketing videos is simple, efficient, and fully AI-powered. Thank you for watching.